So today's video is brought to you by McDonald's, of course, our favorite sponsor. Dollar Burgers, $1, $2, $3 menu. Check them out. They got the best smoothies in town. Cheapest price. You'll live a long time if you eat there. Let's go ahead and get this started with the cold start.
Fell in love and promised we'd never separate, but it seems the time has come that you run my life with no hope to fight and no time to hide. And I'm sinking under, drowning faster, please just let me breathe. The air is leaving and I'm lost in need of you again. Swore for this life we have chosen, we are but soldiers to a common war we fight, and to this passion of love we may fail and die. I'm slipping further, we're falling faster. You're growing stronger. Let's have the weekend and I know you break me down and you make me surrender. We are as Romeo and Juliet. Behind said Isaac said goodbyes. Will we fall again?
Alright, so I'm not sure where this lemon went. One of the downsides about owning a Corvette is in the trunk the stuff rolls around and then it gets lost, and sometimes it gets sucked up by the engine because it just inhales so much air. So we're gonna pop the hood. Anyways, here's the carnage. Here's all the candy. As you can see, it's flying around because it's not safe. Alright, so I popped the hood and let's see if it's in here. That's where that went. Okay, so not in there. Alright, so I'm trying to find this dang lemon. Oh, that's not it. You didn't see that. Just check under the seat here. Oh, that's not it. This is why you gotta rev it out, because sometimes the lemons get stuck in your exhaust. Alright, so I found the lemon, and I got some raspberries here. I heard this old wives' tale. If you put these on the engine bay, right here when it's still hot, put that there, Alright, and then you close this. And then don't forget to latch it. Alright, so you just want to gently push down on this with the lemon and the raspberries inside. And click that one, okay. Then you're going to want to go inside. Oh, what's that doing there? Mate, what are you doing? You're going to want to come in here and press the lemonade button. You can't really see that. But you press the lemonade button. Oh, wrong. You got to clear these out first. Those are for extracurricular activities. Sorry about that, guys. Alright, so now that you got it cleared out, you're going to want to close it. And then you're going to want to reopen it. And then magically, it's going to be right there. And you got your raspberry lemonade. So definitely true. Give it a try. Just put the raspberries and lemonade in the hood. Squeeze it down. But then this cup up here, it's made with love, as you can see. And it's got the raspberries and lemonade in there. Alright, let's not forget the baby. Alright, so first things first, you're going to want to take the skin off because no one eats that. Alrighty, so we got this de-skinned as best as I could. Got most of the seeds out, so hopefully I'm not going to eat any seeds. But the best way to help out with the sourness is eat some sour candy, so let's just open these up. Alright, so we got our lemon here, and we got our candy right here. So let's go ahead and get started on this. I'm kind of scared, but let's just do it. Yeah, that's pretty sour. Anita. Sweeten it up a little bit. Ooh. Oh. We got a little bit left right here. Oh my gosh, so sour. Looks like one more bite right here. Alright guys, so thanks for challenging me, Rusty. I appreciate it. This is the lemons for leukemia. Hope you guys enjoy this video. As always, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. See ya. Alright, lastly, I challenge Yellow Vet 04, J-Rock 702, and lastly, One Brain 4 Wheels. Join the challenge, and I can't wait to see your videos. See ya.